Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VXRT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day on this one as the bleeding continues and updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line right there. First update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $8.40 was an area of support, but with the price breaking down below it during that opening 30 minutes, that would now be considered an area of resistance. So if the price does try to, consolidate out and then bounce back upwards, that's where the big question mark now resides, is can the price not necessarily get up to 840, but more importantly, can the price break above that level and stay up above it? So 840 definitely going to be very important to watch now if there is any sort of bounce. And, until the price can at least get above that level, I'd be very skeptical of any sort of bullishness, because you got to be very careful. You don't want to just get stuck in chop, where if the price starts to go up, okay, yeah, that could just be a dead cat because it could come right back down and you get stuck in that. It goes back up, okay, it might just be part of a choppiness there. Whereas if the price can get above that 840 mark, that doesn't guarantee anything, but at least at that point in time, it begins to kind of, transition the conversation into, okay, maybe there is some strength that's finally starting to show up. So keep a very close eye on 840, like I said, with any sort of bounce. Now, if the price continues to fall downwards, it's going to be hard to see here just because of the proportions here, because of that crazy move that happened. But next level of support, if this thing does continue to pull back, going to be right down there around that $7 mark. So keep a close eye on 7 if the price ultimately does start to pull back. Let me bring it. So if this sideways movement here ultimately falls to the downside, then yeah, keep an eye on $7, as that'll be that next overall level of support. But yeah, a brutal back half to the week here, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.